Okay, we got the back taken down pretty much what we want here. Got this all taken out, and on this side taken out and sanded down so our eyeball will fit. So we just need to open this up on the outside a little more. I think we're pretty good here. Gonna check our fit. And that's pretty much what we want right there. So we got our eyeballs done, our eye sockets cut out, so then we can move on to the next step. If you enjoy my videos, please like and subscribe on my YouTube page. I'd appreciate it. And if you have any questions or comments, put it in my comment section and I'll answer you. Thanks for watching.